So the last lecture we started the new topic, that is the study of nutrients and their nutritional importance. Nutrients is the any substance or food constituents that promotes the growth, maintenance, productions and reproductions of the cell or of an organisms. So there are the six major nutrients. So the principal nutrients, principal nutrients. So these are the water, fats, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. So the last lecture we started with the first nutrients is the waters. So water is one of the most important nutrients. So without waters, the animals can be die within the 5 to 10 days. So the water is one of the most important waters. So the waters which are present in the animal body, about the 75 to 80% at birth, 68 to 72% at the 5 months of age, and about the 50 to 60% at mature animals. So now in the last lecture we discussed the sources of waters in animal body. So there are the sources of animal body. Is the first is the drinking waters. So the drinking water is most one of this contributes about the 75 to 80% of the total water requirements. Second is the sources is about the water present in the all feeds. So the green fodders containing about the 70% of waters, and dry powders like about 10 to 15% waters which by eaten by the animals. And the third is the metabolic water, and metabolic water is produced inside the body by the oxidation of the nutrients, that is the carbohydrates, proteins and fats, that which contributes about the 5 to 10% of the total body requirements. Now it is the functions of waters in animal body. Functions of waters in animal body. So the water is most important. The first major functions of the waters is the water is the major components of the various body fluids, like particularly blood, urine, saliva, lymph and the tears. So the first is the water is the major components of the various body fluids such as blood, urine, saliva, lymph and tears. Second, functions of the waters in the animal's body. So the water is one of the most important constituents of every living tissue. We discussed in the last lecture that without waters the animals may die within the 5 to 10 days. So the water is one of the most important constituents of the every living tissue. Third functions is the water is the ideal solvent of particularly nutrients. So the water is the ideal solvent of the nutrients. Fourth functions, the water play an important role in the thermoregulations of the body. The water maintains the constant temperature of the body. So the major functions is the thermoregulations of the body. Next, fifth functions, water acts as a lubricant. Water acts as the lubricant of joints to prevent frictions and dryings. Next functions, water helps in the for the transportation of nutrients and hormones through blood at the required place of all the tissues. Next functions, it helps to maintain strength and rigidity of cells. Next functions of waters, it maintains the acid-base equilibrium in body, and the next functions is it plays an important role in the metabolism of nutrients. So the next function, water is also helps in the excretion of the metabolic waste and toxic products from the kidney tubules. Water also keeps the gastrointestinal, reproductive and urogenital tract moist. Water also helps in the transmission of light, sight and sound due to refractive actions. So these are the functions of waters in the animal body. Thank you.